This house has been abandoned for many years. Today, a new journey begins. From dirt and decay to beauty and life. In front of the house, there is a small drain filled with garbage and wild plants. This is where everything starts. The first step is cleaning, removing years of neglect.
Years of waste are finally being removed. Inside the house, the condition is no different. My dream is to turn this into a peaceful hilltop home.
The hill-style shaping work begins. The old drain is now transforming into a pool.
Strength comes before beauty.
The walls are getting a new life.
Color changes everything.
Nature completes the beauty of a home. The dream pool is almost complete.
The inside is now clean, bright, and ready. This transformation was made possible by these hard-working people.
This is AR Home. Thank you for watching.